What's up, y'all? It's Justice Maria and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. As y'all can tell by the title, today I'm coming to you guys with my everyday look. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Feel free to comment down below what you guys think about this look. Also like this video, and yeah, let's just get into this video. If you guys have not seen this hair tutorial, make sure you guys go watch that video, and yeah, let's get into this video. So today I'm going for a natural soft beat type of look, and y'all, let's pray I have an eyebrow pencil. Okay, boom, there we go, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little hair scarf on. To get started, of course, we're going to start with our primer, y'all. So I did invest in some new primer, which is from e.l.f. Y'all, I love this. It gave my face this like grip that I've been wanting. My makeup did not budge when I went out. Like, it literally stayed in place. So like, I'm really excited because I've been trying to find primer that grips my makeup without my makeup like smearing all over the place after an hour, because normally that's what happens. So I really be wanting to focus more so under the eyes, because I feel like that's where everything really creases at. Under my lip, like above right here, like on my forehead, by my eyebrows. I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin. You know, you want to rub this everywhere. So after we got started with our primer, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our eyebrows. Okay, so let me brush my eyebrows real quick. And I'm gonna brush them upwards. So now we're going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm gonna start like really light because my eyebrows, they're already like dark and full, so I don't want them too thick. And then like I try to go like real smooth right here because my wings are already like kind of thick as well. So I'm gonna go on this side and do the same. And I'm gonna drag the wing down. I like this wing better. I don't really have to do much to it. So then I'm gonna start up here. And I'm gonna drag that down as well. So this is how they look. Cute, right? I normally go in and add like some of the lines right here just to make it look more natural, because I do have some areas that doesn't have like little eyebrow hairs. See, you see what I did? Like, I kind of just filled it in, gave it a more natural look, added some hairs or whatever. So now we're going to go in with our concealer. So I'm just gonna go in under my eyebrow, real light and soft. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out because this e.l.f. primer is a real gripper, so it'll grip it and you won't be able to move it. If I was you, I would just go ahead and blend everything out. So I'm gonna pull it down and we're gonna try to get that crease line out of there.
So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always so rough guy.
So we're gonna do this eyebrow as well. I kind of did this one fast for the TikTok, but that's okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and hurry up and blend this one out as well, because y'all, when I say this primer grips the makeup and makes it dry really fast and it, you know, stays in place, I'm telling y'all, And I'm not even gonna complain because this is what I've been looking for. This is what I've been wanting. And I finally found it. So I'm not really tripping. I'm not even going to complain. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. And we're gonna put dots. You don't need too much, so. And then the brush that I'm using, I also use that to just pull the makeup down as well, y'all. I feel like if I use a beauty blender, I would get like the same type of result as well. So, I mean, it's okay. And then I normally don't even put makeup on my forehead, but today I am, just because I'm making a YouTube video. So now that we've done that, we're going to go in with a beauty blender and we're going to blend everything out. And I'm just patting it in, just pushing it in. Just to get it where I want it to be. You don't really have to do too much, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, the primer does its job. The primer, I'm telling y'all. So I'm gonna go up under my chin, by my neck a little bit, just to get that little coverage right there. Back over my mustache, over by my eyebrows. I didn't put no makeup right here because I don't want to like take away the highlight that's there, but then again I don't want to look ghosty. And then I'm gonna blend out on my forehead, pull that down. Yeah, I'm really shocked that I'm even putting makeup on my forehead because I never do that. Hopefully I blend this out because I haven't done my forehead in a minute. So now that we have added our foundation and blended everything out, we're going to go in with our concealer. And we're not gonna do too much. So then we're gonna go in with our brush that we used on our eyebrows, the same brush, and we're gonna blend that out because remember it dries really fast. I should have did like one side at a time. Wanna blend all up here so we can get that snatch look, and then we're gonna pull it down so we can get this little harsh crease line away from our cheek. And we're not gonna do too much. See, like I said, y'all, this part dries really fast, so you really gotta be quick with this. Okay, so now that we have did that, we're going to go in with our setting powder, and I'm using mine from Fit Me. Okay, so now that we have done that, we're going to go in with our contour, and we're going to hit our cheeks and our nose. I'm going to start with my cheeks first. And I'm going to use that same brush that I used for my foundation, and I'm just going to like pull this down. Like I'm going to go up and down with it. I don't want to make no harsh lines which I can see that's kind of what I'm already doing, but that's okay because we're gonna fix it, and I'm gonna pull it up as well. Okay. And then I'm gonna also use this brush to contour the nose, which is normally what I wouldn't normally do it this way, but I'm going to. And then I'm gonna just blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with some more setting powder just to fix the line. Okay, I need to fix the contour so we won't have the harsh lines. So I'm going to bluff everything out, pull this down, even like some of the setting powder. And obviously I wouldn't go in with that same brush that I just used for my concealer, for my contour on my nose, because it would just take away the highlight that we have there. But yeah. I think I'm good on my nose. Yeah, I feel like I'm good on my nose. I could go in with a brush that I already used, so just to give it a little deeper contour if needed. Okay, so now we're going to wipe the makeup off our top lip so we can get our color back. Okay, so now we're going to start with our lips. I'm just going to outline my lips with the color pencil that we used for our eyebrows. Obviously, I can't talk and do this at the same time, so yeah, because I just messed it up. Oh my god. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. lip pumping gloss to just add some whiteness. And then try to go back in as well and add some more of the color pencil. So I'm going in with my mascara for my underlashes. I feel like the underlashes set everything off. And normally you need to put something under there just so the mascara won't touch your face. Because it will if you don't know what you're doing. I'm going to say normally I would put like some black eyeliner under my eyes, but I don't want that. I just wanted something really natural. I'm not doing anything, probably just gonna make TikTok videos. So yeah, so now I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Magic Mist and Set, and I'm just gonna spray my face until it's like drenched, and then we're gonna dry it. Okay, so let me clean up all of this. Put everything back. I'm gonna take this off. Okay y'all, so we're done with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was very quick. I was trying to talk to you guys while I make a video for TikTok as well, which was really hard doing, but I feel like we got it done. I hope I got like everything I needed for this video. If not, I'm gonna have to do a whole nother makeup tutorial for you guys. But make sure you guys like and comment on this video, but most importantly, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll just see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to watch my recent as well.